What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Antonio, and if you're new to my content, I teach something called copy trading. Copy trading is where instead of taking your own trades in the Forex markets, you actually copy the trades of people who already have a profitable strategy. Obviously, we all know that most day traders are never successful, but when you can just copy the trades of somebody who is actually successful, you can make money whenever they do. It's a great alternative for people who really want to make money trading Forex, but just can't quite get the hang of it themselves. Now, today's video is going to be a complete start to finish tutorial on setting up a new copy trading software that I'm working with. Those of you who might be a little familiar with my content know that in order to copy trade, usually we get the trade signal messages sent to us through an app called Telegram. We then copy the trades sent in those Telegram channels right to our own trading accounts. That process of copying can be done by hand, or you can also use something called a trade copier software. But the service I'm going to show you guys today makes it so that you don't need a Telegram app and you don't even need a trade copier software. It'll all be 100% automated. It's actually extremely easy to set up. You just complete a couple of very simple steps that I'm going to show you, and your account will automatically be copying trades from a professional Forex trader. Now let's get into what service I'm talking about. Right here, you guys are looking at the home page of the service called Wealth Flow. Up at the top, you can see the professional trader, Dr. Tom, that I'm currently copying signals from. I just set this account up today, and I'm going to show you guys step by step how you can do that yourself. Now, I do want to give a disclaimer. Since I just started testing this service, I don't have any results to share on how much money they've made or lost. More videos on that will come in time. For now, this is just a basic tutorial on how to set this up if you guys decide you want to use it for yourselves. Start off by going to the service's homepage. When you click on the Wealth Flow link, this is the page that it'll take you to. Now, I am going to link this in the description so you guys can really check it out in depth yourself. So I'm not going to show you guys every single thing that goes on here. Basically, how it works is you have the option of several different professional traders like this one right here, and you can pick which one you want to copy from. After that, you just enter your account information and the whole website will automatically do the connecting for you. Again, there's no trade copy required. There's no Telegram channel required. It's all done completely automated. Now, you guys are going to want to know how much it costs to subscribe to one of the professional traders' signals. It's $50 a month. Beyond that, I don't really know. It might be $50 for each additional trader. Let's just take a look at the pricing quick. It looks like they do offer a free plan. So if you guys are interested, make sure to maybe check that out. Now, to get started, you guys are going to want to hit register to make an account. I already have an account, obviously, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. And then it'll take you to a page like this. And right away, what you can see here is the professional trader that I am copying from, and then the account that I have connected to that professional trader's signals. Again, whatever trades this guy takes are also automatically going to be executed on my account right here. You guys can see it's a $3,000 account. But let's get into what you guys are going to look for in the professional trader that you want to copy. So right here, Wealth Flow offers you 4 options for professional traders to copy. And the cool thing is you can go ahead and take a pretty detailed look at each of their performances. So let's go ahead and take a look at Dr. Tom because that's who I decided to copy from. We're going to go ahead and hit view signal. Over here, it'll tell you what the total account growth has been, what the overall P&L in terms of dollar amount has been, and then obviously you have the chart of growth right there. That's a pretty even positive trajectory on this chart. That's what we're looking for if we're trying to copy from a professional trader. Down here, you can also see a ton of other important information. I'm not going to read through it all. Just please pause the video and take a look. And then this is the percentage they've made so far in January, and you can see what pairs they're making that profit on, right? 11.5% in January is a pretty good return. And at the very bottom, we can see the open trades they have right now. Obviously, there's no open trades, but this is a super neat thing, guys. If you want to really verify what you're paying for, you can go to this closed trades tab and you can look through every single trade they've ever taken on their account. You can see what the profit was, what some of the losses were. Now, what I'm looking at here is how big are the losses and how big are the wins. The biggest loss at a glance is that $500 loss, and they've got a couple of $1,400 wins right now. So that means that at least just from that first page, we'll scroll through a couple more, their wins are much bigger than their losses. Again, we have multiple like $1,700 wins, $1,200 wins, and I'm not seeing any losses bigger than that one $500 loss. So that is a really good sign. Right here, we've got a $2,000 and a $3,000 win. So I scrolled all the way through every trade history, and none of the losses were bigger than that $500 loss. And some of the wins did get up to like that $3,000 mark. And then right here, you can see where they made their initial deposit of $50,000. So they started with $50,000. They're up to $66,000. and that is all closed profit. Again, they have no open trades. And you can see the deposit was made on November 11th of 2024, which was barely a month and a half ago. So that means that they profited. Let's scroll back up to the top. They profited this entire 34% in just a month and a half. That is a pretty unbelievable return, especially considering they haven't had any significant rates of drawdown. This period right here looks like it goes from 27 to 16. That 11% drawdown is the only significant thing I'm looking at. Now you can go back and do all of that analysis with any of the 4 signal service options I have listed here. But Dr. Tom looked like the best. So that is why I, picked them to test at the first glance. So let's say that you want to subscribe to Dr. Tom's signals, and you're going to go over here and you're going to hit follow signal. And this is the price, $50 a month. So I thought that it was going to take me through like the checkout process and I could just, because I've already subscribed to it, but I guess it won't even let me do that because I am already following this signal. Let me try following a different one. Mr. Steady Income. All right, we're going to hit follow signal. And hopefully it won't automatically check me out. I don't think it should. This is the checkout page. Now you do need to have some sort of credit card or debit card. They don't accept crypto. They don't accept like PayPal. So those are your payment options. But then you'll go ahead and check out and you'll hit submit payments. Once you've successfully done that, you'll see it here at the top because you've now subscribed to it. And then what you want to do is you want to go over to this section, configurator, and go ahead and hit accounts. At this point, what you need to do is you want to open a trading account or you add an existing trading account if you already have one. Now, I already had a $3,000 demo account made with 8cap, and so I just hit add account. Now it's showing me I can only add one account at a time, but basically what's going to happen is once you hit add account, it'll ask you to enter in your account username, account password, and what broker it is. And then once you enter in that information, it will automatically connect that account to this software right here. You can also hit this button to open a trading account. It'll take you to the XNES broker, which I don't think is available for me in the United States, but will be available to most Forex traders. So if you don't already have an account, you can go ahead and set that up. So now I have my personal trading account added to Wealthflow, and I've also subscribed to one of Wealthflow's professional traders. Let's talk about how to connect my account to that professional trader so that it's automatically copying those trades. What you want to do is go over back to configurator, and we're going to go to trade copier. Now this step I don't think I've done yet, so you guys are going to get to watch me do this basically live action. We're going to go ahead and hit create copier. Now this is where you pick who you want to copy from. Obviously I'm copying from Dr. Tom's signals, and I want those signals sent to Antonio1. That's my 3K demo account. All right, now this is an important part because right here what you're doing is you're setting the risk. Now you guys saw that the account I'm going to be copying the trades from is a $50,000 account. I do not have a $50,000 account. I'm using a $3,000 account. What that means is that even though that $50,000 account has made a lot of profit, it also had that 11% drawdown, which on that 50K account would be about $5,000. Now, obviously $5,000 would wipe out my account, so I need to lower my risk. How am I going to do that? My favorite way of doing this is just hitting the lot multiplier option, and what this means is that I'm going to be copying the exact lots that Dr. Tom is taking on their account so that those lot sizes for every trade are also copied onto my accounts. But wait a second, I have a way smaller account, so I can't copy the exact same lot sizes, right? That's where this multiplier feature comes in. So I don't want to copy every single account to the exact same size. I want to copy more like a fourth of the account or even like a fifth or a tenth of the account size. In fact, since I have less than 1/10 of the account size available, I'm actually going to copy only 0.1. I think we're gonna go 0.1 of the lot sizes. With the multiplier set up this way, let's say Dr. Tom takes a position and the position is 1 lot. On my account, I'm going to be having that exact execution of the same exact trade, but instead of 1 lot, it's only going to take, as you can see, 1/10 of that position size, which would be 0.1 lots. If Dr. Tom takes a position that's 2 lots, I would be taking a position that's 0.2 lots. And obviously, if he takes a position that's half a lot, I would be taking a position that's 0.05 lots. Now, you're going to have to adjust this lot size multiplier to whatever you think is best for your account. Make sure to check out the drawdown of whichever professional trader you want to copy. Now, we're going to go ahead. I have read the T and C's. I haven't, but whoever does that. Then we're going to go ahead and hit create copier. And bang, we are all set up. Now, one last step that we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and hit this button because we want to start the account. We're going to go copier mode on and update. And now everything should be running smoothly. The trades that Dr. Tom is sending should be automatically taken on my account. One last feature I want to show you guys that's pretty cool is the equity monitors tab over here. Now, if you're worried because you have a smaller account than like the $50,000 one, and you want to set a maximum loss amount on that account, for example, let's say that I was trading $3,000, but I didn't want to lose more than $1,500. Right here, I could create an equity monitor where I'll select my account size, and then a target, $1,500 is a target value. So we're going to protect a value of $1,500. And what this means is that if my account loses more than $1,500, the account will automatically be disconnected and no further trades will be taken. Now, I'm not going to do that because it's a demo account. I don't really care if I lose more than $1,500, but I just want to show you guys that that is an option for when you decide to start using live accounts by following these professional traders. Back to the dashboard, this is what it should look like. We've got my my one account and then the professional traders account that I am copying from. This is what it should look like. Now, there haven't been any trades yet, obviously, because I just set up the trade copier. But once there are some trades taken, I can go to the details of my account and I can see all the same statistics for my account that we saw when I looked at Dr. Tom's signals. This is basically what everything should look like after you've got this totally set up. And so obviously now that I'm ready to copy the trades of this Dr. Tom, this professional trader, I want to know, can they actually make me money? So make sure to hit that subscribe because I'm going to be making more videos in the future, sharing the results that I get, every week, every month, and so on, showing you guys how much money this provider is either making or losing me. And if Dr. Tom continues to have the performance that he's had based on his data that we can find on the website, then I might eventually add a live account to this copier. But yeah, it's really as simple as that. There's not a whole lot to setting this up. And again, it doesn't require you subscribing to a trade copier. It doesn't require you having a Telegram channel access. All you got to do is follow the steps that I showed you right here. And also, I want to point out on the Wealthflow initial homepage, they have a video showing you how to do all of this too. I just made this because I'm going to be reviewing this service and I wanted you guys to have a tutorial on it. So to wrap up, the link for this service is in the video description. Go ahead, check it out, take a look, see if it's something that you think you can use. In the meantime, make sure to hit that subscribe for all sorts of reviews on copy trading. And if you like this kind of content, feel free to drop a like. If you have any remaining questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as best as I can. But until the next video, thank you guys so much for watching. Good luck on your trading and stay tuned for the next one.